You've probably seen that really impressive demo where you can tap and drag the subject of a photo on your iPhone and your iPad on iOS 16. Well, on your Mac you can do exactly the same thing. Simply find a picture you want to extract the subject from, and then you're going to right-click on it. From here you can copy just like normal, or you can select Copy Subject. And when you do this, you'll get that white light tracing around the subject of your picture. Here I've got a nice cutout of my cat Mr. Tibbs. And then when I go into another program like Keynote, I can then right-click and paste, and now look, Mr. Tibbs is on the beach. What a happy looking cat. But I've got two cats, so let's quickly jump back into Photos, find this nice picture of Polly, and do the same process again. I'm going to right-click, I'm going to copy subject, wait for that white light to go around to show me what I'm going to get, and then back in Keynote we'll press paste. And if you want more short and to the point Mac quick tips, please do subscribe down below. You may even get some more cat pictures as well.